Hey, what's up, everybody? On July 4th, I'm going to be helping out do a grand finale at my cousin's house. And so right now I put all the videos that I want for the fireworks show in my timeline and I put all together. So here is that. I know it looks chaos, but it's kind of hard to do when you're going to have it on a big scale and everything's going to be spread out. But at least it gives you like an idea of what's going on. Let me go ahead and show you the breakdown of that. First, we got the Midnight Howling. Basically, the whole thing is just the whistles. So while that one's going off, I have American Thunder. I got two of them, so I'm going to probably do one on the far left and one on the far right. It goes into this one. Now, originally, this firework was supposed to be for my mom's, but it didn't go off. This is what it is. It leads into this one, and then Man Cave. And then Man Cave. We get into the Airstrike. And then at the end, you have Falling Leaves. 10 cakes going off right there. Because the Falling Leaves is 4 cakes. Let me show you what it looks like together. One's supposed to be red, one is supposed to be white, one is supposed to be blue, and the other one is crackle. And see what I could do with that, I could spread that out also. So you have a big area. But right now, I don't know how we're going to set up the fireworks show for July 4th. But I'm going to be taking you guys along. So stay tuned.